Hey guys, so in this video I want to talk to you about MaxWeb. Now MaxWeb is an affiliate network that allows you to promote digital and physical products online. Now this is a very good network. It's got a wide variety of products on here, so whatever niche you're in, there's some good products on here that you can actually go ahead and promote. Now I will say at the beginning of this video that this is a beginner's guide to MaxWeb, so this is just an overview of MaxWeb and the type of products you'll get inside, but if you're a little bit more experienced, this could be good for you as well. So you can have a look around MaxWeb and really see whether these types of products suit you. Okay guys, so guys, just before we start, if you haven't been over to this channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell. I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And if you're interested and you want to build a business online using affiliate marketing, I got some great free training for you. You'll see the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and we'll take you through everything you need to know straight away. So guys, let's jump into MaxWeb. I'll leave the actual link to this below, maxweb.com, and basically you come over to their main page here, and it's really nice presented website this is. You'll see here just some overall stats: 18 years online, 300 plus CPA offers, 25,000 active affiliates, and 30 MaxWeb ninjas available 24/7. So really good support here, and you actually get assigned a manager when you come across and actually join this network. Now it's not like some of the other networks like ClickBank where you can just go ahead and join and start promoting straight away. You do have to actually fill in an application. So if you want to become an affiliate here, you just go ahead and sign up, or an advertiser, and you sign up here. The advertisers are the folks that obviously put their products on if they want to go ahead and get people to promote them for them. So as an affiliate, we want to go ahead and sign up. So you'll sign up here and then you just go through these various questions. So you've got a first name, last name, email, Skype username, password, and you confirm your password. And then the second page is a few more questions around the type of traffic and the type of websites that you're going to go ahead and promote. So let me go and just fill in this now with some dummy details, and then we'll come back and I'll show you the second page. Now this is where it's slightly different from ClickBank, and as a pure beginner you need to think about what you're going to do here as far as the way that you're going to promote the various things on this network. And this is where the training that we've actually got down below will help you, because what you're going to do is you're going to tell them that you're going to use certain type of traffic sources, and maybe you've got a website or a blog, or you've got some kind of YouTube channel like this one, and you're going to use that to actually promote their goods and services. So I would actually think about this before you go ahead and sign up for MaxWeb. To be quite honest, don't just come in here and write anything. Actually really think about, if you want to go ahead and promote things on these types of networks, you need to have a website and you need to have some form of traffic, whether that be in a form of blogs with articles, or whether that's in the form of some kind of YouTube channel or a TikTok account or a Facebook account, or if you want to go ahead and use paid advertising, that could be great as well. Okay, so if you know how to use paid advertising, that's the type of thing that you would write in here. You just write paid ads. So the first thing I'm going to do is say how are you going to promote. So I'm just going to put YouTube videos on here, and this is what I did for my other account. This is a secondary account that I've got. What are your traffic channels? So I'm just going to say YouTube. Approximately how much traffic do you generate per month? Just put to YouTube channel there. It wants 10 characters. Approximately how much traffic you can get per month, just approximate. They're not going to check on it. I'm just going to put 5,000 people per month. Now the next thing is your website. Now what is the website you're going to use to actually put in here? Many people kind of try and fudge this, and they try and put some kind of random link in here, and I think you need to go ahead and build yourself a proper website. Now don't be worried about that, because you can go over to someone like GetResponse and get a completely free website, and I'll put a card in the right hand side here and I'll show you how to do that. And basically you can go ahead and get some web presence for free, because they give you a free account after 500 subscribers, and it allows you to build a website on GetResponse. So on that card and that video will actually teach you how to do it. So that's the kind of thing I definitely would plug in here if you haven't got a website of your own. Over the longer term, once you start making money with this type of network, you need to get a website, because there's various things that we can show you going forward where you can build landing pages and write articles that are actually going to generate traffic for things like MaxWeb. Okay, so that's your website. And then on your industry reference, I would just use some experts in the industry that you're looking to promote. So if you're in the health and fitness industry, if you're the make money online industry, go online, search for some experts there and plug them in there. They didn't check me when I put some random names in there, so don't be too worried about that. and then you go ahead and submit, and they'll give you a proper account. And this is the account you're going to get. You see on here, this is my own account, Richard Darby, and you'll have some various things once you come inside. Mainly what it does, it gives you access to these campaign section here. Now this is where your actual campaigns are going to be that you're going to go ahead and look at to promote. Now what I want to do first, I'll go back to this here. This is your profile that you create, and you'll have various things like an account manager. Now Sam T is my account manager, and basically you've got ways that you can contact Sam on the internet. So you can go ahead and contact Sam if you get any questions. You have a profile here, and then you have, most importantly, your payment details. So you need to give them information here about what types of payments you want to receive, whether it's wire or ACH payments. Now what kind of currency do you want to be paid in, US dollars, and then the notification email for your payment, and then what type of business you've got, whether it's individual, corporation, partnership, LLC, or other. Now in the US you'll be asked to fill out tax forms before you go ahead and get payment, but that's usual because this is a real business and you're making real money. So that's something else you need to make sure that you fill in. And then you've got a payment threshold here that allows them to see how much you will actually be paid or have to make before they're actually going to go ahead and pay you. That's your payment threshold. So those two things are very critical. Now there is various frequencies to the way you get paid. Usually it's once a week. If you have a very big account, they'll pay you 3 times a week to make sure there's lots of cash flow. That is typically for folks that are using paid advertising, and they want to make sure that they're getting their commissions back quickly so they can put it back into advertising. For you and me, for somebody who's quite small, usually they'll pay out once per week or once per month, depending on whether you get to this payment threshold, and then they'll pay you out. Okay, so let's go back, and we can see there's a section for advertisers here. For affiliates, that's really the sign up for affiliates. Now there is a really cool academy here that you can go through. Lots of things you can see on here. There's a vocabulary index here. There is some courses on here that you can go take, some beginners and some advanced. A little bit of a word of warning on here. Some of these are paid. So this Affiliate Lab is a very good course, but it is a paid option. So you have to go in there and actually create a membership. But you can look through here and find some of the free ones. Wealthy Affiliate, etc. They have got some free training on the front end, but then you have to pay for all of this. But it is here for you if you want to go ahead and use it. I would actually go to Udemy, to be quite honest, and have a look at some of their training, because I know that's probably going to be quite good. Now that's their courses. You've got a community vault here, lots of different types of newsletters, forums, paid groups, free groups, and then you have the blog here. Now this is really good because there's a whole load of information here that you can start to look at for various other people that are doing affiliate marketing with MaxWeb. So the blog's always good to have a look around and really understand and really get up to speed on what you need to do on this particular network to be successful. Lastly, we have the frequently asked questions. Now the frequently asked questions, again, you need to go through this, have a good look through the frequently asked questions. And all the stuff I've said is being covered on here, but there's lots of things on here that you may have issues with, you may want to learn a bit more, and that's really worth going through. Now crucially, let's go on to the campaigns. Now these are the types of products that you as an affiliate can get access to. Now remember, what happens here is you get an affiliate link, and when somebody comes to your affiliate link and purchases the product, you will get a commission. So what you have here is a menu of these types of products. Now you can have this by different categories. So if I just put all categories here and I come down, I can see the different types of product names that are actually being sold. And you'll see these are a mixture of physical and digital products. Okay, so if I come on here, I can just click on this menu here, earnings per click, and basically it's telling me that this whatever this is, diet pills or these traditional Japanese herbs, this is a $3 earnings per click, and then the average payout is $80. And then you come along here and you apply to promote. So what you need to do here when you're looking at this is look at the average payout and then divide it by the conversion rate, and you'll see that that's the earnings per click you're going to get. So what this usually tells me is if this is higher than this, there's usually some kind of rebill that goes on, and then people may cancel it after a few months, which lots of people do, and you'll see that the average, on average, people get $80. Now, earnings per click, again, if you're a complete beginner, do not expect every single click that you get to be $3 instantly earnings. What needs to happen here is you need to get really good quality traffic. Now, in the training that I offered you earlier down at the School of Nomads, we kind of teach you how to start building a business. It's going to be one that you can provide value to people and get real traffic over to these types of offers. Now, that means that you need to be doing things like articles, you need to be doing review videos, anything that gives your audience something that is going to give them a little extra value before they go ahead and click your link is going to be the way that you actually drive real traffic. And that will also give you targeted traffic. So if I've got, for instance, some kind of video on Japanese herb complex on YouTube and people are searching for that, then I know that they're interested in this product. What doesn't work and what never works is if you just blindly get a link from one of these networks and just throw them anywhere and expect people to click and suddenly be ultra excited about the Japanese herb complex. So just kind of a little bit of an insider tip there. Earnings per click is all to do with the quality of traffic that you send. It's as simple as that, okay guys? So if you go through here, you can look at various types of categories. So I have things like CBD oil or various types of oils or sprays that you can go ahead and use. Very popular. Lots of dating. Now this is where some of the digital products come in, a lot of these dating type products. And you can basically come along here and look at these types of products. I will go back to this and show you inside one of these products in a second. Diabetes, diet and fitness, digital. So these are digital again. These would be things like ebooks or video series that you can go ahead and promote. So if you're in any of these niches, all you need to do is go ahead and again apply to promote this. This one, for instance, the Fat Cell Killer System, average payout is $40, earnings per click is about 7 cents. And again, if you're doing paid ads, for instance, you need to figure out whether you're going to be able to have a paid ad that's going to pay you back if people are clicking and you're paying for them to click. Okay, so that's the various type of categories. E-com, finance, money making. Again, this is to be a lot of lottery type applications and softwares, to be honest, on this one. The other cool thing is you do get products in different languages. So you have some in French here. I don't speak French, but German and Spanish. So these are really good products if you go ahead and you want to do them in a slightly different language. And again, as I come through here, health, digital, again, digital products around health, lots of variety of products here. Then you go ahead and look at the health supplements, lots of different supplements on here. Keto diet, again, various types of pills and also diet books. These are always very popular, different types of diet recipes. Lead generation, so these are something that, this, to be honest, is a slightly different one. This will be the way that they pay you for actually generating leads for them. Not so much selling the service, but they do pay you per lead that you're going to go ahead and generate. Men's health here, lots of different pills again. Nutra, again, some herbs, etc. Skin and beauty. Then I showed you the Spanish ones. Survival, again, lots and lots of digital books on survival. I really like some of this stuff. It's a really good niche to get into. Sweepstakes, tetanus, and you got lots of different pills on there. Trial ones, again, you can have some trials that you can go ahead and sell, and then weight loss, and basically you can go through each of these products and see the data. So they're all of the different categories you can get. Let me just go back to dating. I'm going to show you where you can find your affiliate links and additional information that you can use if you want to go ahead and promote any of these types of products. So I've already actually got acceptance to Make You Worship You, this product here. This is actually $20 average payout. $37 on the front end and 3.25% conversion rate, and it's about 65 cents a earnings per click. Now if I just come along here and go to view resources, what this is going to do is it's going to show me my affiliate link I can use, as well as other resources that I can actually use also to promote this. Okay, so go ahead and look at this affiliate link here. If I copied this affiliate link and somebody goes ahead and clicks through this, I'm going to get a payout from this particular provider. And you can see here that it'll go over to their sales page, and on this case they're actually collecting leads here, and then they go through this sales page here. Now once you've seen that, you can go back and have a look at some of the various resources they're going to give you. So if you've got emails, you want to be collecting leads as you learn how to be an affiliate marketer, you can use these swipes or use a variation of these swipes with your own email autoresponder, and all the folks that are actually subscribing to you on email. So this is a great kind of way that you can start with emails. Now I wouldn't use these exactly the same as they are here. I would change them. I would add my own flavor to them, but it's a great way that you can go ahead and get a good head start on the types of things that you can say to your own audience. Next thing is banners. You can use these banners for your websites. If you've got your own website, these are great things that you can put in your sidebars and on top of your various articles, and they're great like banners. Again, you can go ahead and download them and use them in your own website. So we'll just go back. If I go ahead and manage my account on here, now this is the place that you would see all of your stats if you started promoting this, and it gives you all of the different types of stats over the various months, and then you can go ahead and get your affiliate link here again. Now they do say here that you can go ahead and add a sub ID to this actual affiliate link. So where it's got this question mark here, you can go and add something like a sub ID there that tells you where your traffic is going to be coming from. So you may have this on a blog, you may have this on a YouTube video, or both, and you can actually see using that sub ID where your traffic is actually coming from, and then optimize yourself for that particular traffic. So you can see that there's lots of information on here. I can go ahead and look at loads of different types of reports. There's sales by product, sub IDs, sales by day, sales by geography, sales by operating system, sales by browser. So when you're really getting into this, and if you're a more experienced affiliate, like I said at the beginning of the video, this is a great network. It gives you a lot of detail that you can actually use when you're building your various affiliate campaigns. You've got some commission information here, customer lists here. So again, I can download these CSVs, or I can download a JSON format and get some really detailed information about the types of sales I'm making. Information on API links that I could use as well as various exports. So you can see there's a lot of information that you can collect on here if you're actually an affiliate. So guys, that was just a quick kind of a beginner's guide to MaxWeb. You can see there's a lot of information on here, and lots of good products on here as well that you can go ahead and promote. Very popular products, and lots of people are making really good money with MaxWeb. Now, if you do go ahead and subscribe, you will see more videos on MaxWeb going forward. I'm going to show you how to set up your affiliate funnels using landing pages, using websites that will help you actually advertise things on this particular network. But until then, guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe and notification bell. I can let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're interested and you want to build a business online using affiliate marketing, I've got some great free training for you. Go ahead and hit the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads. There's some brilliant training there for you. It'll get you started straight away. Until next time, guys, take care.